Stellar XLM holders, very huge mistake holders are doing in the same time. So therefore I make this video. Kindly before you start this video, subscribe this channel, press the bell icon for more this type informative videos. And absolutely my friend, I share my opinion to sell, hold or buy. Let's see my brothers. Kindly this time you can see here Stellar XLM completely fails down. So the mistake is going to be very big now, and if you do this mistake you are completely in the loss. The mistake is that my friends, to holders are starting selling. Yes, definitely the mistake is that two holders are starting selling. You see here the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 7 days chart, these charts is completely gone fades down. It's mean from last 7 days, not from last 1 week. Every cryptocurrency fails down from last month my brother, in the May, especially in this month also. So you know what's the main reason? The main reason is that two holder or cannot hold, they are starting selling. So definitely if you're starting selling, this coin is completely going the garbage and they are fails down. You know Stellar XLM, one of the fastest and very good coin my brother, but this time if you are starting selling, then definitely this coin is going the garbage now. So my brother, if I predicate this coin, then absolutely you understand to this coin is where is this coin going. So my brother, you can see this time the last 3 days chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely show you to this coin is fails down. Very bad dumps occur my brother, especially. So if you starting selling, definitely this time, so you they are fails down more and more. So my brother, what's my opinion? My opinion is that to please hold it, don't sell it. If you hold this coin starting moving upward, and if you investing more, then absolutely this coin go in the moon now my brother. You know, and this is not a financial video, I just advise you my brother, please research personally before you take any decision, but this is my opinion my brother. And let's see my brother, if I tell you to an upcoming time there is a chance to them upward, then I think I am alright, because after fails, you everybody know this, to after fails every cryptocurrency take a very huge jump now. So therefore my expectation is very good from XLM holder. So I hope in upcoming time they will move upward. So please, this is my prediction to in the future will be right now, they will recover soon. So you need to hold, don't sell it. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.